Hi Stampin' friends! Today we're going to make this little hand sanitizer holder that uses the Forver Fern stamp set and the matching designer series paper that I cut this out of. This is very simple to do. I started with a piece of, this is our soft seafoam cardstock. It is 8 3/4 inches long by about just under 2 inches wide, so that it will fit into any of our punch, top punch labels, tag punches. So I'm going to slide that in there and punch both sides. Oh, I forgot to mention, it is scored at 4 3/4 vertically this way. So just typically, like I typically make a hand sanitizer holder. So we punch both sides like that, and then go ahead and fold it up. And then we have this piece which holds the rest of the card. It is 6 3/4 by just under an inch, and it is scored at 1 1/2, at 2 1/4, at 4 1/8, and at 4 7/8. So it is scored like that, and then you just go ahead and fold it like this. And then you're just going to use a couple pieces of tear tape to secure it. Like this. And then like that. And then, oops, I need to get this, there we go. And then you'll just put another piece of the tear tape here. Like that. And then put a piece on this side. You probably don't need 2 pieces, 1 piece is probably sufficient. Like that. So that is actually what kind of holds the card together, the hand sanitizer together. So what you want to do is just line it up neatly on here. So just take it and do this so that you get it straight across. You want to get it too high or too low. Too low and it'll be pointless, and you won't be able to hold your piece of hand sanitizer in. Okay, so that was simple. And then I just used this cute little rectangle, and I put a piece of the hand sanitizer, of the thing for the front of the hand sanitizer, the designer series paper on top of that. And you can use either side. I just kind of like this with the seafoam, since our base here is seafoam. So then put it on top like that. And then you can use either dimensionals or designers or snail to just stick it down to this like that. These are so simple, and they make a cute little tiny gift, like for a teacher or something like that. And then you just put our pretty gingham mint macaron ribbon through this side, and then tie it here and flip it around, and then just tie your bow here. And then just you could add a die cut to the front of this. That could be really cute. There are a variety of things you could put here. And then you could also, if you knew for sure what you were going to use this for, you could put a sentiment like we used on the card, that like, to a friend that makes me smile, or something like that. So you can see how simple and quick this is, and it's a lot of fun to make. You know, you can make several and fairly quickly. Because they cut so nicely when you're making these cardstock, it goes really super fast. So thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.